So you're gonna pick what protein you want to have. Let's say you want to have some salmon. Okay, salmon. uh, okay, salmon. Okay, so salmon. You pick the salmon that you want to have, one fillet, and let's see, nutritional value for one fillet is going to be protein 36 grams, right? You're going to have that. So let's say one fillet. So you're good. So I'm going to add that to a meal, right? So you're eating salmon. And then we're going to go and add our oil. So maybe let's say you've used salted butter again. Just going to type it in there. Okay, so you've used salted butter again, and this time maybe we'll have a sweet potato, right? So let's have a sweet potato. Sweet potato. Well, no, let's not have a sweet potato because I'm seeing here we have less carbs in the sweet potato. So I'm not going to pick this one if I'm trying to gain weight. I'm going to go maybe the next one. So I'm going to look at calories and I'm going to look at the carbs to see, okay, which option has a bit more calories, right? So like not all food is made equal. So you can have the same amounts, like so let's say for example, you've got white rice, you've got brown rice, but your calories are different, right? And the carbs that you have in each food group, in each food. So it doesn't mean that because it's a carb, each carb that you have for the same amount is going to have the same amount of carbs, right? So same thing with yams. Yams, 150, comparable to white rice, but you're going to have brown rice will have a little bit more calories than white rice, basmati specifically. Because if you now look at like different types of white rice, they also have different amount of calories as well. And you want to keep track of that. So don't just think that it's all the same. Okay, so I'm going to take white rice. Let's see white rice this time. Hmm. Okay, so let's go. Maybe we'll go jasmine. Okay, let's go. What do we say? We're looking at jasmine. Let's go. Okay, so if this is, let's go. Let's just say maybe you've had, let's say basmati rice. Okay, so I'm going to put cooked. Let's see if we get something. Okay, so so you see the green check marks disappeared. So I'm going to go back to basmati. I'm going to go, this is one serving, 1 cup. This is usually uncooked. So that's a good thing to think about. Like, is this cooked or is it uncooked? Because like the weight for rice changes when you cook it because it absorbs a lot of water. So you always want to make sure that you know if it's cooked or if it's uncooked. So if you go like that, so I'm going to go add to library, add to meal. So that's dinner. So now for dinner, I think we've done a pretty good job. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're moving, right? So now we've got a salmon, we've got a bata for cooking, and oh, 540 calories, 37 grams. You've got 37 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fat, and 39 grams of protein. So, as you can tell, this is like pretty straightforward. So, that's done. And the next thing, we've got that meal right there. So, because we've done that, I think we're golden because now the next thing that Emily just needs to do for for her diet is let's just say she's gone to the gym. She's now going to the gym after dinner. Now she needs to replenish her glycogen stores in her body and her muscles. So she now needs to replenish. Okay. Oh, let's not forget that. Let's see. Quick tools. I'm going to remember this meal. So we're going to go white rice, basmati, rice, and salmon. So if your groceries are the same, you buy the same food, you always know like, okay, your meals already tracked right now. So you have them set up for you right now. So you don't have to think too much about it. You just go and just get your groceries, come back, use the same measuring cups, measuring spoons, use your scale, and just do the same thing. And you just stick with it. You don't have to change too much.